Trying to find the best belt sander but drowning in options? Whether you're stripping old paint, shaping wood, or finishing a big project, the right belt sander makes all the difference. Today on Tools Query, we're breaking down the top 10 belt sanders across every budget and use case, covering power, speed, comfort, and value. Let's get into it. Number 1. Wen 6321 7 Ampere Corded Belt Sander. The Wen 6321 is a solid entry-level corded belt sander that punches well above its price tag. It runs on a 7 ampere motor and moves at 820 feet per minute, making it more than capable for sanding decks, furniture, and rough lumber. The quick-release belt lever makes swapping belts fast and painless. It also includes a lock-in safety trigger and a front grip handle for better control during longer sessions. The included dust bag does a decent job keeping your workspace clean. If you want a dependable, no-fuss corded sander without spending a lot, this is a great starting point. Next up is the DeWalt 20-volt Max Belt Sander. And if cordless freedom is what you're after, this one delivers. Powered by DeWalt's 20-volt Max brushless motor, it offers variable speed control, so you can dial in exactly how aggressive you want to go. No cords means you can move freely around the job site or workshop. The tool-free belt changes and pro-grade ergonomics make it a joy to use, and it's compatible with dust extractors for a cleaner setup. It's a premium investment, but if you're already in the DeWalt battery ecosystem, this is the best cordless belt sander on our list, hands down. Coming in at number 3 is the Skill 751001 6 ampere belt sander, a compact, beginner-friendly belt sander that takes the guesswork out of sanding. Its standout feature is a pressure control system that alerts you if you're pushing too hard, which helps beginners avoid damaging their workpiece. The smaller 3 or 18-inch belt also makes it easier to handle. The microfiltration dust canister captures fine particles well, keeping the air cleaner than most in this price range. It's not the most powerful option here, but if you're just starting out and want something forgiving and easy to learn on, the Skill 751001 is a smart pick. Number 4. Makita 9403 Belt Sander. When you need raw power, the Makita 9403 steps up big. This beast runs on an 11 ampere motor and hits a blazing 1,640 feet per minute, making it one of the fastest and most aggressive material removers on this list. The 4x24-inch belt covers more surface area, so big jobs go faster. Despite all that power, Makita engineered it with low-noise technology and rugged construction built for daily professional use. If you're a contractor, furniture builder, or anyone doing heavy-duty work, the Makita 9403 is the best professional belt sander you can buy right now. Halfway through our list, we've got something a little different: the Wen 6502T benchtop belt and disc sander. This combo machine gives you a 4x 36-inch belt and a 6-inch disc in one unit, making it a true workshop workhorse. It's built with a cast iron base for stability and minimal vibration. The adjustable belt angle lets you tackle edge sanding, shaping, and finishing tasks with ease. It's a benchtop-only machine, so it stays in the shop. But if you want one versatile station for multiple sanding needs, the Wen combo is tough to beat for the price. Number 6. Jealous Belt Sander. The Jealous Belt Sander might not be a household name, but its specs tell a compelling story. With a 7.5 ampere motor and variable speed control, it actually outspecs some pricier corded options on this list. The ergonomic dual-handle design gives you a confident grip whether you're working flat surfaces or awkward angles. It comes with a dust bag and handles a standard 3x 21-inch belt, so finding replacement belts is never a problem. If you want variable speed on a budget without sacrificing too much power, the Jellas is a surprisingly strong value pick. Number 7. Bucktool BG2600 Belt Sander. The Bucktool BG2600 is built for a completely different job than the others. Think knife sharpening, tool shaping, and precision grinding. This bench-mounted unit combines a belt sander and grinder in one compact setup, with a 2x 42-inch belt that's ideal for detailed edge work. The 2.1 ampere motor is modest, but it's tuned for control, not raw speed. If you're a woodworker who sharpens their own chisels, or a hobbyist who makes blades, this multifunction combo is purpose-built for you. It won't replace a standard belt sander, but as a dedicated sharpening and grinding station, the Bucktool BG2600 is genuinely impressive. Number 8. Makita 9903 Belt Sander. The Makita 9903 is where premium build quality meets precision control. Running on an 8.8 ampere motor with a variable speed range of 690 to 1240 fpm, it lets you fine-tune your sanding for everything from rough removal to silky smooth finishing. It's also one of the quietest belt sanders you'll find. Makita's low-noise engineering really shows here. The precision belt tracking system keeps the belt aligned perfectly during operation, reducing frustration and improving results. For woodworkers and craftsmen who want the best corded precision sander money can buy, the Makita 9903 is worth every dollar. Number 9. Metabo HPT SB8V2 Belt Sander. Don't sleep on the Metabo HPT SB8V2. This thing delivers serious bang for the buck. Packing a 9 ampere motor with variable speed control, it's one of the most powerful corded options on this entire list. The flush side design lets you sand right up to walls and edges, which is a huge bonus on trim and finish work. The soft grip handle keeps fatigue low during longer sessions, and the dust bag collects well enough for most shop environments. If you want pro-level corded performance without the pro-level price tag, the Metabo HPT is the best value pick on this list. Closing out our list is the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Belt Sander, and it goes out with a bang. Built on Milwaukee's legendary M18 Fuel brushless platform, this cordless sander delivers aggressive stock removal with variable speed control and all-day battery life. The 3x 18-inch belt keeps it maneuverable on the job site or in tight spaces. It's compatible with dust extractors for a nearly dust-free setup, and the build quality is exactly what you'd expect from Milwaukee. Built tough and built to last. If you're a professional who lives on cordless tools and needs the best performance without a cord, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel is your machine. So there you have it, the 10 best belt sanders for every need and budget. If we had to pick two standouts, the Makita 9403 dominates for heavy-duty pro work, and the DeWalt 20V Max is the king of cordless. Check the links in the description to grab the best deal. If this helped, smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell. Which one caught your eye? Drop it in the comments.